Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the Inland Northwest from the National Weather Service in Spokane for the week of November 7th. Mild temperatures will continue through the week, with much of the work week remaining dry except for small rain chances midweek in the Cascades and northeast Washington mountains. Morning fog will also continue to be possible in some locations, with the usual foggy areas such as mountain valleys being the most likely to have this occur. Our dry pattern will come to an end by Friday and into the weekend. Looking at the big picture, a large area of low pressure will spin off the coast in the Gulf of Alaska for much of the week. Meanwhile, a ridge of high pressure continues to build to the south and allows warm air to continue to funnel into the region. By late week, this ridge of high pressure will begin to break down and allow precipitation chances to be on the rise. The big story over the next few days will be the warm temperatures that will peak on Tuesday. Many areas will soar into the upper 50s and 60s, which is anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. Tuesday's expected high temperatures will also reach near or achieve record-breaking values. It will certainly feel like anything but early November on Tuesday. Temperatures will cool a couple degrees as we head into Wednesday, but still remain above normal. A weak disturbance will bring some light rain chances to portions of the Cascades and northern Washington mountains, but most locations will remain dry. Again, areas of morning fog will be possible through the week. Not much of a change for Thursday, other than we lose our rain chances. Clouds will be on the increase from west to east through the day as our next weather system begins to approach the area. Temperatures remain mild in the mid-50s to low 60s for highs and upper 30s to mid-40s for lows. Rain chances will be on the increase Friday, starting in the Cascades and northern Washington mountains in the morning and afternoon, and spreading east through the rest of the area by the late afternoon, evening, and overnight. Rain amounts are expected to remain fairly light with this system, and the highest amounts are expected along the Cascade crest. As we head into Saturday morning, it currently looks like many locations will remain dry for the day Saturday, with a wetter system approaching by Saturday night and continuing into early next week. This portion of the forecast will continue to be refined as the timing and strength of each system becomes more clear. Rain will be the predominant precipitation type, as snow levels remain above 5,000 to 5,500 feet through the weekend, perhaps dropping a little lower Sunday night. Temperatures remain mild, with most locations in the 50s for highs. Sunday and into Monday could also feature some breezy conditions. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows increased odds at a continuation of the warmer than normal temperatures, with increased odds of drier than normal conditions. It's important to remember that these are deviations from the normal conditions, and November itself is inherently wet. It currently appears that at least the first couple days of next week will start out on the wet side. Recapping what to expect for the week. Dry and mild conditions for most locations through the work week, with little to no impacts expected other than some morning fog in areas. Rain chances return by Friday and Friday night, and especially by Sunday and into next week with a wetter storm system. Sunday and into Monday could also be breezy at times. However, at this time, no significant weather impacts are expected through this period. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful week.